Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set who can call you in the Telegram app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Telegram app, and here it usually opens up in the chats where we have our conversations. From here we have to swipe to the right and then tap on settings. And under settings, tap on privacy and security. Here in this section, in the privacy section, we tap on calls, and here we can set who can call us. It can either be everybody, only your contacts, or nobody. We can also add some exceptions, and yeah, after we are done selecting our preferred version, we can tap on the OK sign in the top right corner and save it. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.